In the lecture series of Python Turtle, we are going to see two programs. The first is of sunflower and the second is of turtle footprint. So let's see the first program, that is of sunflower. So first thing which we will do is we will import a turtle. Like we will be writing import turtle, and we will create an object of the sunflower with the same name, that is sunflower equal to turtle dot turtle. By this we are creating the object of turtle. Then since it is a sunflower, so we will be giving it two colors. It is sunflower dot color function we will be using, and two colors that we will be providing under the bracket is yellow, and the color will be red color. Then we will use a function called begin fill to put in the color in the sunflower dot begin underscore fill. There are no arguments written in this. Then we will go for the for loop for I in range. The range we will be keeping it around 100 a colon. Then it will go for a distance of forward distance of around 400 pixels, you can say, or you can take smaller even. So I am taking around 300 pixels for the sunflower. And then we can take any angle. Angle is with the help of two functions, that is left and right. So we will be writing sunflower dot left, and angles we will be taking, we want to make a dense flower, so we need to take a very large range, so we are keeping it around 172. We cannot go beyond 180. Okay. Then we will be writing sunflower dot end fill to finally fill the color in the flower. And we are completing this turtle program by turtle dot done. So let's run this program and see that what is the type of flower we are receiving. So you can see it has begun with yellow color, but you can see there the speed of the turtle is very slow. So what we can do, we will cancel it. As soon as we are cancelling it, you can see that there are a lot of red errors are there, because we have terminated it before its execution. Therefore now our next target is that the speed of the turtle be higher. Therefore we will be writing the object name sunflower dot speed, and speed we are providing speed we can provide in the range of 1 to 10. So we are giving it the highest range, that is 10. Now see the difference as we are executing it. So you see the difference. So it is quite faster, and as soon as it will complete, you can see a beautiful sunflower over here. You can take different set of colors as well. It depends completely upon you. You can take different angles, you can take different number of iterations as well. So by this we are completing this turtle program. If you want to change the shape of the turtle, then shape of the object which is drawing this picture, that also can be done simply by writing sunflower dot shape, and you might have gone through the methods which are being used over which are being used in the turtle doc file that I have shared in my last video. And you can see this sunflower.shape, and in argument you are writing turtle, you can write classic, you can write anything, whatever the arguments that are mentioned over there. So let's run this and see. So you can see that instead of an arrow margin, arrowhead, now we are having turtle. Okay, so we can see that new program, new flower has been created. So by this we are completing this. Now our next program which we are going to do over here is is a stamp program. So a turtle can stamp its footprint onto this canvas or the window, and this will remain after the turtle has moved somewhere else. Stamping works even when the pen is up. There is a method called pen up and pen down. So stamping can work even when the pen is up. So let's see the program and understand it. The first thing we will do the same, we will writing import turtle. Then we will create one window is equal to turtle dot screen. Remember one thing, that screen, the while writing screen, the first letter of screen is in capital letters. Sorry, I have written over here. Then window dot background color, bg color. That this method I have already used in my previous videos. Light green we can give, or any color you can select it from the websites which are available, which are also having the hexadecimal codes. You can copy those colors from the website, and by writing a hash symbol you can paste the number of that particular or code of that particular color, and it will appear on the screen. Now we are going to create the object of this stamp. So we will give it a name, timestamp. So for writing timestamp, we will write a tstamp. Tstamp is equal to turtle dot turtle. So by this we have created the turtle object. We will give the shape, the turtle which is going to put its imprint, tstamp dot shape, discussed in the last program. You can write turtle over here. Then tstamp dot color, the color of the turtle which we want. The color can be any color. Over here we will be taking red color. Let's see, red color. You can take it in capital letters or small letters, it doesn't matter. Then we will be using the method that is pen up method. So the object name is tstamp dot pen up method is being used. Size is equal to 20. So we will discuss what is the size. Size is equal to 20 for I in range of 30. That how many turtles we want to print, that range we are giving it over here. Then we will be using the function, stamp function, tstamp dot stamp. So now we are writing size is equal to size plus 3. So now I believe that you would have got that by size what does I mean. Okay, and then it is taking an angle. So we are having the object as tstamp. So tstamp dot right, you can take any angle, we are taking right angle, and tstamp dot right and angle, that is we are taking an angle of 24 degrees. Okay, so now we will be completing this particular window by window dot main loop function. Main loop function is a function by which the program will remain executed until you don't terminate it. Okay, so let's see by running this program that what is the result. There are some error. Let me check what is the error. So I missed writing stamp dot forward. The forward function I missed to write. That is the reason why it has not executed, and in the argument I will be writing size, the size that is of 20. Okay, now let's see. Now again we will try to run this program. Now let's see whether again some error is there. So we missed out two things. The first, we forgot to give the argument over here, that is the parenthesis, and secondly we wrote a different object. We wrote stamp, but it is actually tstamp dot forward. Okay, we will save it. We will try to run this. Let's see the program run. Also not. Okay, so you can see that it is coming in a concentric circle. There is a turtle having a distance of around 20. By each iteration 3 is being added to it, and there are total 30 numbers of turtles over here. Now and the function which we have used over here is a penup function. So what if we remove this penup function, then how this particular program will look like. So let's see by doing this. So it will execute, but there will be a line, the stamp, it will not be leaving an imprint as be thought of. Okay, therefore we will be using a penup function over here. We will remove this. So by this we are concluding this turtle programming. Thank you.